Hi, Rebecca here from Blister Prevention. In this video I'm going to show you what's inside the BlisterPod Advanced Blister Kit that sets it apart from other mid-range blister kits. I'll walk you through a blister treatment example and demonstrate how and when you use each item. So let's see what we've got in here. Importantly, the outer casing is made of a durable material that's light and compressible. That's important to minimise weight and bulk if this is going to be in your backpack or your sports bag. You don't want a hard case that takes up the same volume whether empty or full. You want it to pack down. Plus, if you want to keep anything else in here, it'll expand out, so that's not a problem. You'll see there's a carabiner loop, double zips, and compartments to keep everything orderly. Taking a look inside, first up there's the list of contents and the exceptionally popular flowchart that walks you step by step through the blister treatment process, just so you can check you're doing everything right. There are 2 scalpel blades for lancing your blister, should that be necessary. Scalpels are great for this as they deliver a good sized hole in the blister roof to allow good drainage and are less likely to seal up too quickly. Next, we've got POVIDONE iodine antiseptic wipes. Whether you've lanced your blister or not, you'll use POVIDONE iodine to kill bacteria in and around your blister so it doesn't get infected. There's also a pair of gloves and cotton wool buds to wipe away dirt from the area, soak up blister fluids and just keep things clean. Then you'll need to put a dressing on it. We've got 2 island dressings here and 2 hydrocolloid blister plasters. Make sure you anchor the edges of all of these dressings down with the white fixation tape provided to ensure they stay put in the hot and humid in-shoe environment. There's 1/2 metre or 1.5 feet of the fixation tape provided. It has excellent adhesion, flexibility and water resistance. You can also use this for preventive taping or pre-taping your blister prone areas. Next, you'll want to try and get some pressure and friction relief for your blister. There's adhesive orthopedic felt for you to make your own donut pads or even toe props, and there are 2 gel toe sleeves. I've said it many times before, I don't leave the house without a couple of these in my bag, and I pop them on at the first sign of anything rubbing my toes. And to relieve friction, you'd use the ENGO blister patches. Pop one of these on the corresponding area of your shoe to provide a nice frictionless area that saves the skin of your blister from shearing. It'll make your blister feel a lot less painful as you continue to walk or run on it. That's because the shiny blue surface is a material called PTFE, which is an unbelievably low friction material. And finally, there are 2 adhesive enhancer wipes, just in case your feet get wet and you need to apply an adhesive dressing, plaster or tape. This stuff helps it stick down better and hold even though everything's wet. So that's what's in BlisterPod's Advanced Blister Kit. You've got some basic blister care items like the gloves, cotton buds, antiseptic and island dressings, but on top of that you've got some advanced gear that you just don't find in blister kits but are absolutely essential in my opinion. There are the hydrocolloid blister plasters, the adhesive orthopedic felt for making donut pads that's infinitely better than anything you can do with moleskin, the top quality fixation tape, the ENGO patches of course, and the gel toe sleeves that I absolutely love and couldn't live without. Really, if a blister kit doesn't have these items in it, I don't think you can call it a blister kit. Plus of course, the flowchart is always there to guide you through the blister treatment process at any time. This is a great kit to carry on 1 or 2 day hikes, on holiday, to take to the gym or having in your sports bag, no matter what sport you play. It'll get you out of any sticky blister situation for sure. Of course, at the top end of blister kits we've got the Ultra Blister Kit. To be honest, it's hard to beat if you're looking for something to cover you for multi-day hikes and ultra marathons and need the whole array of blister management capabilities for really nasty blisters day after day. If you haven't seen that video, I'll provide that link in the description below. However, this one, the Advanced Blister Kit, continues to be a very popular kit, particularly in the US. I hope this helps. If you've got any questions about the BlisterPod Advanced Blister Kit, pop them in the comments below. I personally get an alert when you leave a comment and I'll be on hand to answer your questions. If you'd like to see more of our videos about stellar blister prevention and treatment gear, techniques and all that kind of stuff, subscribe to the Blister Prevention YouTube channel to be notified.